bahay, Mangkanor. 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 Oh, Mangkanor. Ano nga? May nagkababuti ha. Kahit gadaan sa gilid ng tindahan ha. Mapasok tayo para makarating tayo sa loob. May susi. Susi. Kasi, daan tayo sa gilid ng tindahan, pasok tayo sa loob, hanapin natin yung susi, labas tayo ulit, buksan natin wala sa mo.
First bathroom. Master's bedroom. Queen size bed. View overlooking the city and the amenities. Another view here. And another one here. Bathroom, second bathroom inside the master's bedroom. So, bathroom number 2. Alright. Again, here's the master's bedroom, queen size bed. With cabinet. And aircon, window, aircon. Here's the second bedroom. Double deck, double bed. Sa baba, single sa taas. And view overlooking the city and the amenities. Ba't pala ito naka-open? Pumasok ang ulan. Okay. So, yan. Again, 2 bedrooms. 2 bathrooms. Dining area na spacious. Kitchen, spacious kitchen. And spacious din na living room. With videoke. Videoke ready. And with balcony. So, again.